I am in a 2018 Chevy Colorado. We are going to program a remote control. This is an OEM remote control. Our key is turned on, so let's get started. Chevy, Colorado, key coding, 18, remote USA. Okay, this function will erase all your remotes, so you need to program all your remotes concurrently. Yes. Okay, we're going to hold down lock and unlock. Okay, there was a slight skip in the tone on the key buzzer. That means it programmed, so I'm going to hit OK. No. Done. Take the key out. There's the key. Going to try our remote control here. And we are done.